Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Taurus, this is your channel song. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Oh, baby. Oh. Baby girl is a storm. Okay, but I can't really explain it. I'm so into you now. I wanna be more than a friend of you now. When they ask, I mention my baby boys in the interviews now. And I don't bring no problem from the 90s in the 2000s. That's how reason to friend or two now. Cause you get ready till you feel in a few vows. Maybe I'm speaking general now. But to keep a girl, do whatever, keep a grin on you now. Wherever I go, there will bikini in the winter too now. When you think about tan line skin of you now, with a pun of you down. So I ain't concerned what other girls will do now. As long as when you slide up in me, I growl. And any bitch with you, she better be a queen of you now. And I ain't jealous, it's a principle now. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. Oh my God. When are you gonna make me be your girlfriend? You wanna be my girlfriend? You better show me that you want me more than I want you. Stop saying that. I'm a Taurus. I have to be the one you chase, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. So I'm getting, someone really likes what you've done to them. They have really explained it. They are so into you. Someone really likes you. They're so into you. And since you've been asking about the friends, how you like it if both of our names had Jackson on the ends. Shamona! Okay, let's go ahead with your reading. Let's see what your overall message is. We have the 9 of Pentacles. I'm getting Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn is your overall message. Or I'm getting, yeah, you're single as a Pringle. Single and looking fine. Or I'm getting you're here by yourself, reminiscing on the past of when you and somebody was being intimate. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. Let's go. Let's go, Taurus. Let's go. We got the Ace of Wands. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into. I'm getting someone has very passionate sex. Very slow, very passionate, very touchy, very feely. Somebody will kiss you while them have sex with you. Them will kiss you on your head while them have sex with you. I'm getting intimacy. I'm getting you really like how somebody's intimate with you. I don't know what this is. I'm going to say this. I'm getting if you're a guy, you have sex like a girl. I'm not saying that you're gay. I'm not saying that you're feminine. I'm saying that you have sex very, very sensual and very, very passionate and seductive. So that's hot. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue reading. So we have the Ace of Wands. I'm getting you thinking about sex. Or you really like how this person make you feel. The 2 of Cups just came out. I'm not going to take it though. We have the 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting you want more. You can't get enough. Or I'm getting if you have sex with this person, Taurus, you can't get enough. You're going to be stuck. No, I'm kind of seeing prostitution here, but not really. I'm seeing every time you have sex with somebody, them leave your money. But I'm not necessarily getting, because if you are 9 of Pentacles, they're leaving you 6 of Pentacles. So it's not necessarily that they're buying your services, because your service would have started off at 9 of Pentacles, right? But I'm getting every time you have sex, you get this money. But it's not prostitution, I don't know if it's your boyfriend or something like that. Every time you have sex with him, give you money. Or I'm getting you cannot get enough, like you will pay somebody. I'm getting something was supposed to be one time only. It turned into want it a lot, like every night. The death card, I don't know. I said this in Leo already. I said this in Leo's reading. I'm going to say it in this reading. Be careful, somebody nectar might kill you. You start acting crazy, you start acting mad, you start doing irrational shit. Something like that. Now, Ace of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Death card can also tell me something about a sex change. Because the Nine of Pentacles is here as a woman, and we're starting off with the Ace of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Death card. It could also be something like that. So I'm getting, if you're transitioning from a man to a woman, félicitations, congratulations. I'm getting you look beautiful, and nobody could tell that you were ever a man. We have a devil. Nobody can tell you were ever a man, not unless you tell them. Now, if that's not it, we have the death, and we have a death card right beside the devil card. So I'm getting somebody trick you. Somebody trick you for put on a skirt. Somebody trick you for put on a wig. Or I'm getting you cannot go back to being a girl. Ooh, I'm getting something weird now. I'm getting every time you have sex with a girl, you turn into her, and then you use her identity. I'm getting the spell wear off. You look like a man now. And you can't change back. I'm getting you can't change back. Or every time you change form, it'll change into this ugly looking beast. Maybe I try to change she into this. Make people see her as this big fat ugly shit and such a look. I'm getting I try to change somebody's image, it not work. Maybe I try use sex to change them, it not working. I'm also getting if you have sex with this Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn, you're dead, you're change. Everything you know that once was will not be anymore, especially when it comes down to yourself and growing as a person and how you saw life. I'm getting somebody's sex going to change you. I'm also getting something about this Capricorn. I'm getting astral projection. I'm getting the Capricorn I have sex with you from your dream state. The Death card with the Capricorn, this can be sex magic. With this, it can be sex magic, magic in your dreams. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I have the Ace of okay. I'm getting a dream about this Scorpio, you dream about this Capricorn. You're dreaming about having sex with this Scorpio or Capricorn. I'm getting you and this person have the exact same dreams. Them dreaming them having sex with you too. I don't know what this is. I don't know if somebody just really infatuated with you. Now I'm also getting, be careful, because if somebody have sex with you, they want to give you something very deadly. There's a test that's supposed to come back positive after you have sex with this person. They might even pay you more to take off the condom. Don't fucking do it, you hear me tell you? Either way, you have to cut. Whether the condom is making it insensitive, you still have a clot come. And if them don't want to use condom, tell them to use them blood clot hand and masturbate off themselves. Because me getting somebody have something, they're going to catch something, or somebody want somebody want to test for say positive towards you. Somebody really want you to have AIDS, though. They want you to have AIDS so bad. They want to say, yes, you beautiful bitch. See, you rejected every girl. Okay, you acting like you're the and now you have AIDS. Okay, or I have herpes and I would still kiss dick with a condom on, and I'm not taking it back. I'm not taking it back. People like, ew, ew. What the I'd still ushers with a condom on, knowing he have herpes type blood clot too. And don't feel bad about it. So that's what the fuck it is, ho. What's up? I don't care. I fucking don't. Kundalini, exactama, right? So use a condom, please and thank you. We have a one night stand, exactly. Exactama. Somebody want to have a one night stand with you. They might even pay you. It's something about a positive test. Maybe a pregnancy test or a STD test. Yeah, me getting if you get pregnant. And if you not get pregnant, you will catch something. Is it burning? Is it burning? Is it burning the out of you? Okay, let us go down the list. Your balls is burning or the head of your penis is burning? Or is it burning when you're peeing? If it's burning when you're peeing, I'm so sorry. That might be a sign of gonorrhea. Could have chlamydia as well, but chlamydia usually takes 6 to 9 months to develop, especially in females, for you to have a positive pregnancy. Maybe you're pregnant and have chlamydia. Anyways, a positive chlamydia test will not be positive until about 6 to 9 months. So if that nigga slept with you and told you gave him chlamydia, it's a lie, he gave you. The second thing I want to say, if it's burning, if your head or your penis are burning, it could be a yeast infection. Usually that carries no discharge. Maybe a watery to fishy discharge. The top of your penis will feel like pins that stick it. Or it's gonna feel swollen, it's gonna look red and inflamed. It could be a yeast infection. You just go to the store, ask for fluconazole 150. You don't have to ask for it, it's on the shelf. You take fluconazole 150, take one and buy Keniston cream and you rub on the head of your dick for 7 days. If you're a girl and the same thing has happened to you, you go to the pharmacy, you buy fluconazole 150 milligrams, you take it, yes, no alcohol, remember? And you buy the one a day inside cream. People sometimes use the tablets. I would not tell patients to use the tablets. I don't like how it dissolves in the vagina, okay? So I would tell you to use the Keniston insert cream. You can buy 7 day, 3 day, or 1 day. So if that's the burning you're feeling, which is a yeast infection, that's what you do. If it's a different type of burning where you have discharge was sent, chances are you have gonorrhea. Because the head of your dick is on fire. You might even have herpes too. I don't know. Maybe something up on the head of your dick, literally. The head of your dick, something up on it. When we're getting it a burn you. You're thinking the worst. It is the worst. You have gonorrhea. Could be chlamydia. Could also be syphilis. We don't know. So if it's a yeast infection, you should praise God. That's what it is. If that's it. I don't think it's a yeast infection. I think something smells, I think something pusses, and I think something burns. Burn you uncontrollably. So maybe that's why you do want to get a high priestess. You said the high priest, you said the Nine of Pentacles had crabs. You said the high priestess full of a blood clot, STD. The high priestess is a walking fucking STD. Thankfully the Nine of Pentacles did wash our hand. So bacteria wasn't transferred. Okay? Great. Yeah, so one night stand and Kundalini. We have the World card. We have evil, yeah. Somebody want to infect you. I'm getting them infect themselves and now they don't know what the fuck to do. Because the Jews them in them a burn up blood clot condom. You couldn't even them with a condom on. And we have a Tower card, yes. Now somebody's efforts to see a nice, beautiful woman and guess how could you fuck her up? What would be the best way to fuck up this nice, beautiful woman? You give her AIDS, you give her chlamydia, you give her herpes, you give her a fucking STD. Thankfully, she was smart enough to not date niggas like you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.